Okay, we need to reinstall the spark plugs. As you lower the spark plugs, you got to make sure that they don't drop down there at the bottom, because what will happen is this tip can hit the head and it will bend, causing this gap to change and get out of spec. So one thing that you can do is wrap a little bit of tape around your socket. Make sure it's locked right there. Put the spark plug. You don't need to press the spark plug too tight in there. Just press it in there and lower the spark plug so it doesn't just fall and the tip doesn't get bent. And then once you lower it, you can start threading it by hand. We need to tighten it in the end. That's all it needs. What you should do is look up the specs, the torque specifications for your make and model, and just tighten the spark plugs to spec.